Hi, everybody. Welcome to the book reading for today. Our book is entitled Toys and Games Past and Present, and it was written by Carrie Diamond. This is a special book because it's what they call nonfiction, and nonfiction books focus on real life people, places, and things. Let's check it out. Toys and Games Through History. Playing is fun. Kids have always liked to play. The way kids play has changed. Years ago, children played marble games. Large marbles knock smaller marbles out of a ring. If you look here, you can see in the picture where the kids have drawn a ring in the dirt, and it's a large ring, and then inside you can see little balls, and these balls are made of glass. That's what they're calling marbles. So these are the marbles, and the children knock these marbles into each other to see who can move each other's marbles outside of the ring. Now, many kids play video games. They press buttons to win points and solve puzzles. You can see that they're having fun playing video games. One thing I noticed in this picture that's funny is that these video games look like they have a wire connecting it to something, probably what they call a console. Nowadays, I don't see a lot of wired um, game controllers. Kids used to make phones out of cans. A string connected the cans. And I think we talk about this in another book. So I'll leave the conversation about the string cans to the other book that we have in the series. These days, kids still like to make things, but they can use their cell phones to chat. Have you ever made your own toy? Kids used to roll hoops on the ground for fun. They tried to keep the hoops moving. I wonder what this hoop is made out of. And I wonder if these kids made the hoops or if there's something that they could just buy at the store. I wonder. I also see that they have sticks here. Now kids play outside in different ways. They even play with toys they fly themselves. Kids used to play sports like soccer and baseball, and they still do. Some games have stayed the same. What other sports do you think kids used to play? Toys and games were different long ago, but kids have always enjoyed having fun. What's your favorite toy or game? Wow. Now, this book is also special because it has a reference section. On this side, it has a then and now page, and on the other side, it has a picture glossary. Let's explore the then and now page. On this page, the author, Miss Diamond, has compared what it was like then, or in the past, to how it is now, or today. Let's look and see if we can compare these two columns. Then, kids played marble games, and today, kids play video games. Then, kids talked on tin can phones. And today, kids talk on cell phones. Then, kids rolled hoops. And today, kids play with toys that fly. Things have changed. But I guess what's the same is that children like to play. All right, let's take a look at this picture glossary, another very important page. A glossary is something that tells you what words mean. All right. So they've picked out special words from the book, and in the back, they put it in the glossary. Just in case you don't know what they mean, you can look it up later. And this glossary is very special because it's a picture glossary. So it's added pictures to the definitions or the meanings of the words. So, first word in the glossary is favorite. A favorite means something you like the most. You can see the picture of this kid with this airplane. I guess that's their favorite toy. The next word is solve. And solve means to find the answer to a puzzle or problem. The other words are marble, which means a glass ball used in children's games. And we talked about the marbles a little bit when we were reading the story. And then the last word that they define is video games. And video games are games played on electronic screens. So thank you so much for joining us for the read aloud today. I hope it helps you with your investigation of then and now. Bye.